Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2017 Chevy Equinox LT, stock number Z9634XX. 27,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, silver ice metallic in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional power outlet, and very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system, for radio, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora and Stitcher radio apps. And this is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio, heating and air conditioning with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's material. Overhead, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and power liftgate control. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 21 miles to the gallon and the city average of 31 on the highway. And approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting our investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.